Welcome to Cooking with Ellie. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious cake, or something remotely like it. Let's get right into the video. Okay everyone, for today's dish you will need some chocolate syrup for that chocolatey taste, some milk, flour, 4 eggs, some mixed fruit, a watermelon, and it is fine if you do not own a knife to cut it with because we just need the whole thing, peel and all, some cheese, a jar of pickles, it's fine if it's almost as tall as you, as you can see from the height comparison to me in the pickle jar, of course a jar of barbecue sauce. Now those are all the ingredients, that was all the ingredients, and now the things that you will need to use to make it are a frying pan, an oven, as you can see on mine right there, and a bowl. And if you're wondering, hey Ellie, you do not have a bowl, then you would be right. So if you don't have a bowl, you can improvise. For example, I will be using this bread basket. And for those of you who are saying, wait, there's still bread in that basket, then you're wrong, there's not. It's a perfectly empty basket. Okay, firstly, I will be grabbing the chocolate syrup. Okay, and I'll be putting the chocolate syrup in. Now that that's in, I will be putting the milk in. Next, I'll be putting into the milk. Okay, my lovely cameraman has just informed me that I should not put the whole bottle of milk in. Give me a moment to get that out. A few moments later. Okay. I got the milk out, and next, it is time for the pickles. You'll only need a few. So, about, all of them or so, and okay, they're gone. Next is the barbecue sauce. Okay, and then next you'll need the eggs. Now, I do realize that I'm kind of short for this, so I'm gonna go grab my stool. Perfect. So there's the eggs, cheese, flour, fruit, and just throw the excess. And lastly, the watermelon. And yes, you do not need a knife, as I said in the beginning, but it does need to not be a full watermelon, though you're just gonna want to crush it with your bare hands or paws until it's a nice paste. Okay, now just push that out of the way and get to stirring. Now it's time to stir it. You can stir it with a spoon, or for the most fun possible, use your hands or, paws. Okay, and you're gonna stir that for about 10 minutes. Okay, and that's all mixed in. Looks delicious, and it smells immaculate. Stop coughing. It stings. He's just kidding. He's just kidding. Now you're gonna want to grab your pan. And pour the lovely mixture inside. Okay, and it looks delicious. Now to put it on the stove. It's okay if the stove has a tad bit of watermelon juice on it. It's gotta kind of work around that. And then just crank it up to max heat, which will make it cook nice and fast. You can kind of just do your own thing while that cooks. A while later. Okay, and then you'll just want to come back and, oh my god! It is perfect. It's ready. And you just want to turn off the stove. Oh, and look how beautiful it looks. Now, you're just gonna want to put that on a plate and serve it. Okay, I got the biggest plate I could find. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off, and it looks delicious. And you'll be left with a bit of a mess to clean up. You know, the typical stuff while baking. And then you're just gonna try a bite of your delicious creation. I'm back. It's so good. It's so good that you just have to try to make this recipe. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode of Cooking with Ellie. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye! Okay, thank you all so much for staying until the end of the video. What is that? Just pretend that wasn't there. Okay, thank you all so much for staying till the end of this video. And thank you so much for over 170 subscribers. That's like a ton. So thank you each and every one of you so much for helping us get to that goal. And the reason I say us is because I want to introduce you to someone. If you've been at this channel long enough, then you probably already know her. I present to you LPS Emily! Hey guys! Thank you so much for so many subscribers, and I know that you're probably thinking, where have you been since the beginning of this channel? Because if you guys remember me right, I am the mascot of this channel, and I've been here since the very first video, but sadly, I was lost for a while. Emily was lost for a very long time, ever since moving to this new place. And as most of you guys know, Emily was lost for a very long time, but after tons of searching, we never did find the original LPS Emily. But after a ton of searching and help from my beloved grandma online, we found another one of her. So I hope that everyone will love her and just love her just as much as the old Emily. Yeah, I'm really happy to be here, and thank you so much for over 170 subscribers. Okay, well, love, Lena out. Bye. Time for bloopers. We can pretend that didn't happen. Yeah, and I'm so happy to